Hi everyone and welcome back to Yum Paleo. Today we're going to be making a paleo chicken stir fry served on a bed of cauliflower rice. So I've done a bit of the prep work already. What I've done is diced up 4 chicken breasts, and I've also chopped 2 carrots finely, about 20 white button mushrooms, and I've got here a bowl of chopped broccoli. 1 broccoli was used for that, and 2 large zucchini chopped up as well. Now to flavour our stir fry, we have about 2 teaspoons of ginger, and that was grated, and about 4 cloves of crushed garlic. We're also going to be using coconut oil today to cook our chicken. That's going to give it a bit more flavour as well. So we'll probably use about 2 tablespoons of that. And we also have about a cup of cashew nuts to chuck in at the end. And we've got our cauliflower here, which has already been grated up. That's 1 whole cauliflower, and we'll be using that at the end to make our cauliflower rice. But first, let's get started on cooking that chicken. So I'm going to turn on the pan here, just to a medium heat, and add in my 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, sorry. Now this can be a bit hard to start off with, but it should melt down fairly easily once it's in the pan. Give it a bit of a stir around. Bear in mind it does get a bit smoky too, so you might want to have a few windows open. Now I'm going to add in my chicken because that will take the longest time to cook. And give it a bit of a stir around. So I'm just going to put the lid on and leave that to cook through for about 5 minutes. I will be giving it a stir through in that time as well to make sure the bottom of the chicken doesn't brown. So I'll see you back here in about 5 minutes time. Welcome back. So we've got our cooked chicken in the pan there. That's cooked really nicely. We're now going to start adding some flavour and some veggies. So first of all, I'm going to add in our ginger and garlic. And I'll give that a bit of a stir around there. That smells really good. Cool. And we can also start adding our veggies now. So I'll start with adding the carrot. Let's put that on top. And our broccoli. Now what I'm also going to do, just to make sure that our veggies do get cooked, is add a wee bit of water to the pan. So about half a cup. That's not designed to make it really watery or anything, just to make sure that all the veggies get cooked and don't burn in the pan. So what we'll do is add the rest of our veggies now and our cashew nuts. Then I'll put the lid on the pan, let it simmer away for about 5 minutes, and during that time we'll make our cauliflower rice. So we've got our mushroom to add. Our zucchini. And our cashew nuts. Give that a nice big stir around. As you can see, we've got a lot of fresh veggies in there, so it's nice and healthy. And we might actually just add the rest of that cup of water into the pan. Just want to make sure it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. Alright, so we'll put the lid on. Put it on a low to medium heat. And I'll just leave that there for about 5 minutes and give it a wee stir around every couple of minutes. Now we're going to get started on our cauliflower rice. So you might have seen this in our previous videos, but what we've done is just grated up a whole cauliflower into the bowl, and we're going to lightly fry it using some olive oil for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then that'll be ready to serve underneath our stir fry. So I'll just add about a tablespoon of olive oil to the pot. And just gradually add the cauliflower rice into that pan as well. Now the trick here is to keep stirring it around the whole time to make sure that it isn't getting burnt at the bottom. So I'll keep cooking that through for about 3 to 4 minutes, and we'll see you again after that time. Hey everyone, welcome back. Our cauliflower rice has been cooked through, so I'm going to turn that off now. And we are ready to serve. So I'll put a wee bit of this down on the plate first. And now it's time to add our stir fry. So there you have it everyone, a super healthy chicken stir fry on cauliflower rice. See you again next time.